Hi folks, this is Jin and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to build a ramp for the garage. So I made a frame and now digging out a trench for along the frame, so the concrete will be like a tooth. And so first of all I make the frame with a trench and then maybe reuse some of the ground here for the hill. Okay, so this is the frame for the ramp, and you see here this part is deeper. This will be the tooth and it's like 10 centimeters deep. It's the next day. Right then, this is how I put the iron net with a distance to the floor using stones and making sure it would be somewhere in the middle for the whole thickness of 5 centimeter of concrete, then the net, and then 5 centimeters on top. Now I will also put same net on the sides and then mix up and fill. So for the concrete itself I will use this mixer I borrowed from a friend, Mika. He is somewhere around here, probably hiding. You know, Finns are very shy. No, just a joke, he's not here. Anyways, this is going to be my mixing machine, and I got some concrete and some buckets. I got sand, I got gravel. So before put the net on the floor, I applied pressure to the ground, pressed it together using this self-made device, just a tree stump and a heavy 2x4 to use a proportion. So I will measure in buckets. I have these 12-liter buckets, so there will be 1 bucket full of cement, half as much water as cement, maybe a little less because the sand is a bit wet, then 3 buckets of sand and 5 buckets of gravel. After 4 loads of the mixer, it's filled just over the net a little bit, leaving around 4 centimeters of space to be filled still. Now last layer is a bit different consistency. It is sand and concrete, 1:3 proportion, and now I'm smoothing it, spreading it on top and smoothing it out with this board, just sliding on top of it. this was it. It took me around 6 hours. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Goodbye.